For my scientific design, experimental design project, I am going to do the bottle flip challenge. The purpose of the project is to see if the amount of water in the bottle affects how many times I can actually land it. So my materials are a measuring cup, so I can accurately measure how much water I put in. I'm using a water bottle. It is a Gatorade bottle that is 12 ounces, and I have just regular tap water that I got from my house. My control is going to be the empty water bottle. The independent variables are going to be the amount of water that I put in the bottles. I'm going to go with, I don't know if you can see those, but I'm going to go with 100, 150, and 200 for my measurements. It is done in milliliters to see the effects of that. The dependent variable is going to be the amount of times that it is landed. The procedure is going to be that I'm going to put water into that measuring cup, and then I'm going to pour it into the bottle. Then I'm going to flip it 3 times to see how many times I'm going to flip it 5 times to see how many times out of 5 I am able to land it. Let's see how this goes. Okay, so to flip the bottle, I have asked a friend to come help me out so that way I can record what we're doing. So he is going to flip the bottle 5 times to see if it lands. And it did not land any of the time. So then now we're going to fill the bottle with 100 milliliters of water and see if we can get it to land. So we've put 100 milliliters of water into the measuring cup, and we are pouring it into the water bottle. Five times to flip. 1. Okay, 1 out of 2. 2 out of 3. All right, 3 out of 5 times. Let's see what happens next. Now we're going to pour 50 more milliliters in. And retry. 1. 2. 3.
Retry on that one?
You got one more.
Yeah.
All right, so 3 out of 5. Pouring the last 50 milliliters in there. So now there's 200 milliliters of water in the bottle.
Ready?
Hmm? One out of 4. 2 out of 5. So those are our 3 flips. As far as the results, I think that we're more accurate with having the 150 milliliters in, which kind of is where my hypothesis was. Let's see if we get the same results after the experiment is replicated.